Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix session expired issue on Facebook. Now, if you can see this kind of page when you open your Facebook application on your device, there are a couple of problems that you'll have to fix, okay? Now, the first thing that you can do in order to fix that is to go to your phone settings, okay, and then tap on the Wi-Fi connection or Wi-Fi settings, and make sure that you are connected to your internet provider, or make sure that your internet provider has a stable internet connection. Okay, so that could be one of the possibilities why you are having trouble with your Facebook application. So right after checking your internet connection, and now that you are sure that you're connected to the internet, we'll try to opening the Facebook application again and checked if there will be no problem. So as you can see, we did fix the problem. Okay. Now the next thing that we can do is to close the Facebook application, of course, and then go to your Play Store or App Store. Okay, so we'll refresh this one first. Mm-hmm. And then let's go to our Play Store. Since we're using an Android phone here, and if you're using an App Store, I mean an iPhone, so you just have to go to your App Store. Okay. And then from there, we'll be able to search the messenger, I mean the Facebook application, from the search bar at the top corner of our screen. And then you'll just have to check if there are updates or our application is not updated. So we'll just have to go through that. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.